Hey, today I'm in a basketball book. Today I'm going to do, I will buy something and
What are you going to buy?
I'm going to buy the things that I need for school.
For school and arts. Okay. Okay. I think you need a crayons. 24 pieces of crayons for your crayon holder. Is it?
I did this for my aunt.
You see? Oh, glitters. Art for what? You want to do arting? You want this,
That's enough. This one. I think I want this one.
you want this color? Okay, fine. And this one. I think we need this. And
I did this
I
one.
need this one too.
So I did this one.
Huh? Yeah, this one sharpener. Kasi yung sharpener mo sa bahay is not really good. And we need this for your whiteboard. That is a whiteboard eraser. What's that?
It's just a book.
Small notebook for what?
Like that.
For your?
Yeah.
Okay, I think let's go to the crayons.
And later I'll get both things.
I think the crayon is somewhere there. No, 24 pieces, di ba? Oh my God, this is so expensive. Washable crayons, nako, wag na natin to bilhin. I think this is more expensive, no? We just buy the ordinary. We need this too. We need this too. A ruler. Let's go to the other side. Here, this side. Crayons, yes. This. Oh, this 24. Different brand. Okay lang yan. Yeah, 24.
I got the crayon 24, but it's different. So
Different brand lang. Pero okay na yan kasi wala yung Crayola na 24 pieces. Let's go to the other side. Let's look for Oslo paper for your project. Okay.
Oslo.
You need scissor. Kid scissor. Yeah, black color. Okay.
Get this one.
No. We need something na hindi ka masasaktan. For the kids, the one with cover. Like this. Okay. Small glue? Where's the small glue? Oh. Like this. Oh. Ayan. And then, Oslo paper. Oh, we need also this. This one. Yeah. Yeah, now Oslo paper, come here.
I will show you it later. When I pay this thing. Okay?
Okay. So after we pay this, you're gonna show them everything that you bought, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye guys.
See you later.
See you later.
Look. Naka-sale pala. Ayan, naka-sale ang National Bookstore, kaya maraming tao. Yeah! Bye-bye! Oh, what's that? Fruit eraser. Wow, 6 pieces. Okay, what else? What else? You got?
Paper ever.
What else you got? Oh.
Paper.
Okay, this is a giant adhesive book cover. Alam mo maganda na to kasi hindi ka na kailangan magbalot ng books. Ididikit mo na lang. Pakatin mo na lang. Oslo paper. We got Oslo paper for your major project.
Meow, meow,
Meow, meow, meow, meow.
another paper.
Hoy, mabango to. Amoy mo. Is it? Smells good, right? Before, you know, when I was young, dinalagay namin to sa love letter. Chas! Para mabango. Okay.
No, I got this.
What's that? Oh. So, this is the sharpener. Okay. Ang dami mo naman pinamili.
And the
Whiteboard eraser. Whiteboard eraser.
scissors.
Yan, scissor na pambata. Para hindi ka...
Crayon.
Oh, 24 pieces crayons. Okay.
Glue stick.
Glue stick. Okay. Glue.
And the last one. Tape.
Tape. Yay! So, all of these you're going to use for your project. Is it? Okay. Magkano lahat yan? How much? Magkano na pamili mo? O, bilangin mo. Basahin mo to.
I can't read.
No, the number. Ayun o. 400 ano. Ito. 480? Oh my gosh. Yan lang. 480 na. Okay. Sa kanila.
So long.
Kasi,
Bye guys.
thank you for...
Thank you for watching. Later at home I will open this all.
Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.